Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port board on the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite T220 T225 models. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the tablet and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker and car pry tool. And then, by using a picker or car pry tool, gently run between the frame and LCD screen to release the plastic clips on the frame. If the selected edge is not relaxing, use a pry tool to create a wider gap. And then use the car pry tool to release the gaskets on the frame. Take out the back cover and then take out the bracket by undoing 6 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, move to the bottom and take out the cover by undoing 11 screws. Next, disconnect the cable and antenna head from the board. Next, pull out the not working charging and headphone jack board from the body. Next, place a new charging and headphone jack board on the body. Next, secure the antenna head and connect the plug to the board. Next, place the cover by adding 11 screws. Next, connect the battery plug and then place the bracket by adding 6 screws. Next, before closing the device, it is good to verify the functionality by powering it up. Next, slide in the back cover from the bottom to the top. Secure the back cover and then ensure the clips are tightened. And then insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.